This is your Aunt Becky's recipe, I believe. Don't spread it out.
No, it makes bigger. Makes it bigger.
We don't need them too big though. Pretty much all similar in
That
size.
one's definitely for Santa to leave behind.
Yeah.
Daddy. For Daddy needs that cookie. That one's Santa's.
Okay.
This whole rose is
Which
Santa.
one is Santa? Santa's or Daddy's?
This one's Santa's.
Okay. You keep saying it's Santa's and then you said it's for Daddy.
Santa leaves. He bites out of it and then he leaves it.
Oh, he leaves the
then,
rest for Daddy?
Yeah. Come on. Give me a big spoon.
Look at all that yummy goodness.
Yeah.
I need to take that spoon from Liam and just start eating.
Well, you can't. It's not baked.
Well, it is. We don't bake it. It cooks from where we boiled it. And then you just drop it on the wax paper and you let it cool completely. And then you eat them.
I didn't get any. Can I move over here?
You want to tell me the ingredients?
Can I move over
You
here?
can, but first tell me what ingredients we used.
Oatmeal, vanilla.
Yeah.
Big jar of Jeff.
Big jar of Jeff.
And hot cocoa.
Yep. What else did we use?
Milk.
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 So
Butter.
delicious.
Butter.
You want to tell everybody Merry Christmas?
Merry Christmas.